Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to add the Google account, add it or remove it in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. You can use Google, but I prefer to use different sections. So let's tap on additional settings, scroll and find accounts and sync. Then let's tap on add account. And sorry, that was a misclick. As I said, add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Here Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. So here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and then tap on more. So the three dots icon right in the middle. Then tap on remove account and tap on remove account again. Confirm it with OK. Enter the screen lock to confirm. And as you can see, we just successfully removed our Google account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.